Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. So we have Burning Tower, Knight of Suns and the Moon. So in your situation, guys, Libras, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe today you are in a circumstance, maybe you are you are enjoying this day. Maybe you love people paying attention to you, so the people around you, maybe they are appreciating your skills and talents, they are praising you maybe, and you are a very talented and skilled person and you are enjoying this attention that is being showered on you, guys. And maybe today, because of this excitement, because you are feeling carried away, you are happy for the way things are, maybe you are making certain decisions. Those decisions may not be right, guys. So in the heat of that excitement or happiness, or even in sadness or in anger, we should never make any important choices or decisions because it may not be right, guys. So we should not make any choices when we are very emotional. But today you may be making some choices, but you need to be careful, guys, because sometimes these choices may be irreversible and it may lead to some kind of stress, some kind of worries for you in your future. So if it is something important regarding your life, regarding this relationship or regarding your career situation, you have to be really careful, guys. And I also see that you are unconsciously drawn to certain things, maybe certain paths or certain choices, some kind of influences you have today. It may be your subconscious influence or destiny pulling you towards certain path or some behaviors or some choices today. You may take a liking to certain things today. Maybe in your work you may choose a project or something to do based on that, and you are being influenced maybe, and there is some kind of intuition working. Maybe you have dreams and aspiration and your intuition is guiding you, and some of it may be the right intuition, guys, guiding you in the right way. But certain things, just like I said, maybe you love the attention people shower on you and you are quite excited today. So if that is the case, if you feel inspired to do certain things, you must hold on to yourself, wait, take a step back, think and then do, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. And I also see major changes happening today, guys. There is a major change happening in your life, something which is changing the way you are, maybe emotionally and spiritually. You are seeing huge changes and some kind of it may be like some kind of a detox. Maybe you were worried about certain things, so those things that were worrying you are moving away from your life today, and you can feel happy because today you have a better understanding of your situation. So what was giving you troubles or worries. So you know clearly the reason behind those circumstances, and you are initiating your ideas and plans to reach the dreams you have for this person or for yourself in this relationship, guys. So a positive change is happening in your relationship, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have 7 of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your work situation, maybe you have a lot of dreams and goals, and just dreaming is not enough. You must take up the actions necessary, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading with the first card, guys, for those who chose this card and this crystal. So we will keep this card aside. So this is the card for y'all, guys. Be content. So it just means serenity, acceptance and peace in our situation. So how do we find contentment in our circumstance? We face a lot of struggles, stress, and we fear everything in our situation. Maybe it is time we find that space within ourselves where we are able to accept certain things as they are. Maybe it is time we accept it as they are to give us that peace of mind. So this does not mean that you need to be complacent. It just contentment. It just means that accepting everything in our life as it is. Maybe certain things we are able to change, we have control over. But certain things which we cannot control, we should not let those things hijack our life, take control of us. So you need to embrace the things that you can change for the better, both in your internal and external environment, and working on to make the necessary changes one step at a time. But for those changes which we cannot change or which we do not have any control, we must accept it as it is and do not feel any pain or feeling lost because we are unable to control that circumstance or that choice or that person. So whatever it is, guys. So living one day at a time, not worrying about the past or stressing about the future. So that will also help to bring peace of mind, harmony, balance and serenity in our hearts, guys. So that is the angel's guidance with this card for you all, guys. For those who chose this card, this is the time for peace and happiness, and the way to do that is accepting your situation as it is without stressing. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, it says building blocks. So in our life, in this situation, maybe we are making a great progress in our life and things are gaining momentum. right now in our situation, and it is an extraordinary time to focus on the things that are important to us today, guys. Maybe in this relationship, it just means that we are moving towards some new connection, some new relationship, or we are making the existing relationship much more better. We are laying that strong foundation. And how to have that strong foundation in this connection? We must build it on honesty, humility, clear understanding, and that desire and that love to know each other, understand each other. So by doing that, we are forming a strong foundation in this relationship, and that way this relationship will withstand any storm or any tough time that we face together, and it will help us to repair and strengthen this connection we have with each other, and we both will grow wiser, powerful and stronger together. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So in the same way, even in our work situation, the right way to build a strong foundation in our career is by having that positive intentions. So whatever dreams and aspirations we need for us to reach the goals we have in our life, we must feel inspired to do that, and we should march on towards the truth with that truth in our heart. So we want to achieve certain things, we must put our honest efforts, so that way we will be able to reach success very soon, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.